In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back disappeared notes in Microsoft Outlook. It can be a bit unsettling when your notes suddenly go missing, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. The steps are easy to follow, and you'll have your notes back in no time. First, let's begin by going to the Microsoft Outlook login page. This is the initial step where you'll need to access your Microsoft 365 account. Simply open your preferred internet browser and search for the Outlook login page, or follow the link if you have it readily available. Once you're on the login page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any unnecessary delays. After successfully signing in, you should be directed to Outlook's homepage. Now keep in mind that sometimes these pages can load a bit slowly, so patience is key here. With access to the homepage, our next step is to navigate specifically to the Mail section. This is usually an option you can easily find on the main Outlook dashboard. You'll want to click on Mail to advance to the next step. This section is vital because in many of the Outlook versions, notes are interlinked with mail folders. Now that you're in the Mail section, it's time to focus on the folder pane. This can often be found on the left-hand side of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, look for options or settings that allow you to customize or expand your view. Clicking on the folder pane will provide you a more detailed look at all available folders, including ones that might have been tucked away or inadvertently hidden. When you're in the folder pane, glance down the list to look for notes. This is your ultimate target, and here is where you might find those missing notes. Sometimes they'll be located within a subfolder, so take your time to expand any folders if necessary. If you're still having trouble finding them, it can be helpful to use the search function within Outlook. Just type in any keyword related to your missing notes, as this might trigger a search in actual folders where they're hiding. Rest assured, following these steps should ideally bring back your notes. If all else fails, make sure to check online or consult customer support for more personalized help. But generally, these steps should solve most issues related to missing notes in Outlook. Once you've found your notes, make sure to double-check where they're stored so future access will be swift and issue-free. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and has helped you retrieve your valuable notes.